Ever wondered how thousands of developers can work on the same project without chaos erupting? Let's break down the magic of GitHub in just 90 seconds. First off, GitHub is a web-based platform built around Git, a powerful version control system. Imagine Git as a time machine for your code. It meticulously tracks every single change you make to your files. This allows you to revert to previous versions, compare changes, and see who made specific modifications. Next, GitHub enables effortless collaboration. Multiple developers can work on the same codebase concurrently, without overriding each other's work. This is achieved through a process called branching and merging. Developers create separate branches to work on new features or bug fixes. Once complete, these branches are then merged back into the main codebase. When you make changes locally on your computer, you commit those changes and then push them to a remote repository on GitHub. Think of it as uploading your work to a central hub. GitHub provides a platform for managing these repositories. Features like issue tracking, pull requests, and discussions make it easy to manage projects, review code, and collaborate effectively. One of the biggest strengths of GitHub is its support for open source projects. Anyone can contribute to public repositories, fostering a community of collaboration and innovation. By leveraging Git and providing powerful collaboration tools, GitHub empowers developers to build amazing software together, regardless of their location.